Every year in Victoria, our family support services support around 50,000 families and many, many thousands of children. If we had more resources, we'd be able to support more families here in Victoria. Family services help keep families connected to their communities and each other.
Some families do need a bit of help. Some families are really struggling, and some families just need some support and guidance to navigate which way to go with things.
Many families know they need help, but aren't sure how to find it. Family services connect families to the best services or supports available in their community, depending on the needs of the family. They work deep within communities, collaborating with health services, schools and community groups to deliver support and information.
Their main supporting things were really linking me into other supporting things in the community which are more longer term, such as your play groups and your support groups and your community connections and things like that.
Family services help make families stronger by supporting them to provide safe and nurturing homes for their children.
Family services are absolutely vital to support children and young people's wellbeing. Ideally, what's happening is family services are working with families before they come in contact with child protection and stopping them ever needing child protection. But if families are in contact with child protection or if children have gone into care, then family services plays a really vital role in securing safety for those children and getting those children back out of care and back home with their families.
It's rewarding to see families be able to make positive change and be able to remain together with an increased sense of safety and wellbeing to the children. We are there to support them with what they want to work on. We're not there to tell them what to do. It's really important that we listen to the family. We're their biggest advocates.
I reached out to family services because I'm a single parent with an intellectual disability, and we all know that it takes a village to raise a child, and sometimes I need support.
From a system level, we can really see that family services is making a difference. We see in the data when families are working with family services, they're not going into child protection as much as they would if they weren't, that children aren't going into care as much as they would. And we can also see that parents' confidence in their parenting is improved.
Family services work hard with families to restore family bonds. They work to bring families together following a breakdown. They assess what individual families need and make sure the family has access to this support to keep families together.
Building a positive, trusting relationship with families from the beginning of our intervention sets them up for positive service engagement in the future.
These dedicated professionals are the glue in our communities. They are highly skilled and Victoria cannot do without them.
A lot of our work is using a strengths-based approach in drawing out their strengths and building their confidence. Let them know that they can do this as a parent.
They were happy, positive, reliable, and helped build my confidence.
Family services operate across Victoria, providing assistance to all Victorians.
It's okay to need help. It's okay to need support, and just please reach out if you need to.
If you're struggling and you need support, please reach out to family support services in your area. They're all across Victoria. Ask for help and ask early.